Hi all, if you're hearing this and seeing me, you've survived your orientation week there at Griffith University, so firstly congratulations on that, and secondly congratulations on your acceptance into Griffith University and the commencement of your university life. And I know you've all had varied backgrounds and experiences that have got you to here, but that's part of the exciting journey of university, as you do meet so many great people from all different backgrounds and contexts. So guys, my name's Brad Beer, and I'm an alumni or a graduate of the Griffith University Health School, and I've been invited just to share briefly with you today on my own personal journey with Griffith University, and in particular to speak briefly about the career opportunities that were there for me as a result of being a Griffith University graduate. So on my journey, guys, I started as a university student in 2000, and at that stage there was not half the buildings there now is. You certainly are enjoying a world of resource there which is second to none in terms of universities. So I started in 2000 in the exercise science program, and guys, after several years I always had a passion and an interest and an ambition to go into physiotherapy. So after 2 years of, I guess, diligent, you'd have to ask some of my lecturers, they might argue, but diligent study, I transferred over into the physio and exercise science degree. Guys, it was a 5-year program at that stage. It was a double degree, and I have since gone into a physiotherapy career, which I'll share a little bit on in a minute. But some of my colleagues, guys, did exercise science, others did combined degrees with education, others with business. And the good and I guess the great thing to see is that all of them, whether they've graduated from each respective program, have gone on to achieve a measure of success and certainly employment in great opportunities. So you are in for a great ride. Back to my little journey, after graduating in 2005, I went straight into employed private practice as a physiotherapist, and it wasn't long after that, 5 months in fact, that I launched my own private practice here on the Gold Coast, and at that stage we were trading and known as MyBack's Physio. And the long story short, guys, is that after 2 years of great growth and success as MyBack's Physio, I brought our practice into what is now a national group, the Back in Motion Health Group. And my role now is to basically oversee Queensland's expansion of Back in Motion practices. In fact, we're doing our second on the Gold Coast here, opening in March at Sorrento. So if you're coming past, pop your head in. It's on Bundle Road there, and just introduce yourself. I'd be more than happy to personally give you a tour of facilities. But guys, wherever I go, whether it's in chairing the APA, the Australian Physio Association Regional Group, or whether it's meeting with colleagues in my day job, my day role, or even treating patients inside the practice, it's great to reflect and be able to put my hand on my heart and think about my Griffith University experience, and certainly fly the flag for a great course that the uni provided. And guys, I guess as some encouragement for you, I'd really just encourage you to make the most of your opportunity that you do have. It's a privilege to be accepted into a university, particular one as good as Griffith, and to really grasp any opportunity that comes your way, whether that's a sporting club or a formal industry mentoring program, or any of the many initiatives that Griffith University has. Take it, grab it by both hands, and make a good go of it. And certainly you can look forward to a rewarding and fulfilling career in any area of exercise science upon graduation. And lastly, guys, before I leave you, I would just point out as well, your Griffith University experience is not just limited to your years of study. In fact, I've been appointed the Senator for the Health School for the Griffith Alumni Health Senate, which is a long fancy name which basically just encapsulates a committee that works to put on events for alumni or graduates of exercise science programs to meet. And for example, this year in 2012, we've got Titans football games and grand balls and all sorts of things that we're doing. So, guys, keep your eyes posted for different initiatives, and I wish you all the very best with your studies, and I look forward to maybe meeting some of you in the coming years and hearing about your Griffith experience. So all the best, guys, and take care.